Hi and welcome to this video demonstration showing you how to use the LayAway or LayBuy function in EasyPOS. Layaways or laybuys are normally used in the clothing retail trade. It can also be used in the furniture retail trade, and it can be used in the motor spare retail trade, motor spares. So for example, a customer will place an order for a motor spare that is not in stock. He'll pay a deposit, and when he comes back to collect that spare, he'll pay the balance and collect the spare. So let's log into the program and let's go and put some items on a LayBuy. To do that, simply ring up the items as you would normally, either list the items or use the touch menu functionality. In this case, I'm just going to be using the barcode scanner. So let's put that item on LayBuy or LayAway. Let's click the LayBuy button, click New LayBuy, type in the name of the customer or the LayAway or LayBuy number or LayBuy, whatever you want to call the LayAway or LayBuy. Normally it would be under a person. You can enter all the other relevant detail, but when you're looking, if you have a lot of layaways or laybuys on your system, you can use the name, or you can use the mobile number to search for that specific laybuy or layaway when you want to work with it. So let's put in a cell phone number, and let's click on save and update. Once you save and update, the layaway or laybuy will be saved, and a receipt will be printed for that laybuy or layaway. To pay a laybuy or layaway, on a blank screen, select laybuy, select pay laybuy, and let's pay the layaway or laybuy we've just created. So we're going to select that one, select the method of payment, cash card or EFT, electronic funds transfer, enter the amount that you're going to be paying on the layaway or laybuy, and select pay. Once you select pay, a receipt will be printed for that layaway or laybuy payment, and that amount that is being captured for that laybuy or layaway will be added onto your cash up or your day end reporting for that specific day. Let's close this. So to look at the reporting on the layaways or layaways, you can do this through the back office. Go to customers. The first report is customer transaction reports, and this basically shows you the initial layaway or laybuy and the payments that have been made on that laybuy or layaway. So if we go and look at the one that we've just created, we'll just select today's date. So there's the initial layaway or laybuy. There's the payment. There was a payment of 3,000 made on this laybuy or layaway, and that's the current balance, or the new balance should I say, is 1,500. This report can be printed on an A4 printer, or it can be exported to Excel. Please note that once the layaway or laybuy has been paid in complete, it is removed from the system. So that laybuy or layaway then is removed completely from the system. Let's close this. Let's look at the next function on the list. So customer account adjustment just allows you to adjust the laybuy or layaway, either positively or negatively, or overwriting a balance if you need to manually adjust the layaway. Let's close that. All customer balances just shows you all the outstanding laybuys or layaways currently on your system, and then just totalizes them at the bottom of the screen. This report can be printed and exported. So it can be printed on an A4 printer, and it can be exported as well. Let's close that. The last report really is if you need to see what items were put onto that layaway or laybuy. So if we select Joe Soap and we click on view, there was this one product which is a control arm for 4,500. That's the product that was actually put onto this layaway or laybuy. This report can be printed on an A4 printer, and it can be exported to Excel as well. And that's basically that. Thanks for watching.